Hello guys, this is my channel. Today I was solving Rubik's Cube. In my last video, I do dice technique part 4. And you can watch this video right after this video. So let's get started. And today I am solving some puzzles, 3 puzzles. And now in the next video, if this video gets 100 likes, then I will gonna do the second part of this thing that I show you how to solve it. So make sure you can make me 100 subscribers and 100 likes. So let's go. So I'm gonna make a Rubik's Cube like this, and I'm gonna not tell you the names. That's because you have to guess it. What is the cube? That is a contest for you guys. So if you wanna do this and then write these names and write me down in the comments. Then I will announce the names of these winners. So let's get started. So first I will shuffle these all cubes. So first you can see how it's gonna turn. I'm gonna show you. So you can see like here, like that, it turns like this. It's kind of weird, right? It's kind of weird. This one turns like this. This one turns like this. So I'm gonna shuffle these. So I'll be right back. So guys, I just shuffled it, and now it's time to solve it one by one. And you guys write me in the comments how many seconds I will solve it, because I don't have my timer. So it's the chance for you guys to name the, and you have to guys tell me down in the comments how many seconds I will solve these 3 cubes. So yeah, so let's get started. That was quick. Oh, that was quick. I just saw the first one earlier, then and made less time right now, so we'll see that later. So I just do this. It is really hard because my hands are getting super tired right now. It start pain right now. So that's how it gets you tired when you solve 3 cubes and a lot of cubes. Oh, I just dropped it. I think it's good, great right now. So keep doing it. I think I'm almost there. I just it's great right now. So guys, I think I just saw the second one. Yep. I think I just solved the next one. I think I do this thing wrong. So guys, it takes like a problem. I think it takes a lot while too. So yeah. think I just saw the next second one. Choose. Yep, almost done. Super easy. Great, I just saw the next one. So, thank you guys for watching this video. If you give me big thumbs up and write me down in the comments which cube like best. Like this one, this one, this one, and the comments that how you can guess the names. And see you guys next time. Bye bye.